Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sa video ito, i-convert natin yung mga conditional statement into converse, inverse, and contrapositive statement. Now, for the converse, so ganito lang yung gagawin natin sa ating conditional statement. Simply, yung ating hypothesis is gagawin lang nating conclusion, then yung conclusion naman gagawin natin hypothesis, ibabaliktad lang natin, kaya tinawag siyang converse. So ito na yung magiging statement niya. If the weather is good, so yung conclusion natin dito, then the weather is good, ginawa nating hypothesis. If the weather is good, then I will wash the car. So naging conclusion na ngayon tong hypothesis natin na if I will wash the car. So ganun lang. Now, for the inverse naman, mag-add lang tayo dito sa ating conditional statement ng word na not, okay? Sa ating hypothesis and sa ating conclusion. So ito na yung magiging statement niya. If I will not, so nilagyan na natin ng not, wash the car, then the weather is not good, okay? Dinagdagan lang natin ng not, yung hypothesis and conclusion. Now, for contrapositive naman, ito naman is simply yung inverse nitong converse statement natin. Ibig sabihin, dadagdagan lang natin ng not itong hypothesis and conclusion ng ating converse statement. So, yung mangyayari dyan, if the weather is not good, so dadagdagan natin ng not, then I will not wash the car. Okay? So, ganun lang yan. Then, dito, for number 2, if a number is divisible by 2, then it is even. So, converse again, ibabaliktad lang natin. Gagawin na natin conclusion yung ating hypothesis. Yung hypothesis is gagawin natin, yung conclusion gagawin naman natin hypothesis. Ito na. If a number is even, then it is divisible by 2. Okay? Yung inverse again, dadagdagan lang natin ng word na not. If a number is not divisible by 2, then it is not even. Then for the contrapositive, again, inverse lang yan itong ating converse statement. Dadagdagan lang natin ng not, yung hypothesis nito and conclusion. So ito na yan. If a number is not even, then it is not divisible by 2. Okay, ganun lang siya. For number 3, again, babaliktad lang natin. If you are eligible to drive, then you are 18. Then yung converse niya is, if you are 18, then you are eligible to drive. Reverse, again, dagdagan lang natin ang not to. If you are not eligible to drive, then you are not 18. Then, yung contrapositive natin, again, lalagyan natin ng not tong converse statement natin. If you are not 18, then you are, ay baliktad siya. Dapat, then you are not eligible to drive. So, nagkamali lang tayo dito ng sulat. Then you are not eligible to drive. Okay? Then, for number 4, if a polygon has 4 sides, then it is a quadrilateral. Again, yung converse statement niya, ibabaliktad lang natin. If a polygon is a quadrilateral, then it has 4 sides. Then for the inverse, dadagdagan lang again natin ng not tong conditional statement natin. If a polygon does not have 4 sides, then it is not a quadrilateral. And for the contrapositive, again, lalagyan na natin ng ating converse. If a polygon is not quadrilateral, then it does not have 4 sides. For number 5, if a number is an integer, then it is a whole number. Again, babaliktarin lang natin for the converse. If a number is a whole number, then it is not an integer. Then for the inverse, lalagyan na natin ng not. If a number is not an integer, then it is not a whole number. And for the contrapositive, again, lalagyan natin ng not tong converse natin. If a number is not a whole number, then it is not an integer. So, ganun lang yun. Sana natuto kayo kung paano ito gawin. And thank you for watching.